This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view your trophies on your PlayStation 5 and then compare your status against your friends. So you can have some bragging rights here and you can see the progress in your friends' video games as well. So just go on the home screen and go to your icon right here for your profile, select this and scroll on down to trophies. You can see the trophy number right here, all the different unlocks you've had, and then we can go on down. And then we can choose the game. So we can go to, let's go to Call of Duty, MW2. Select this. And then you can go in here and just choose the game. So let's go to this one right here. And you can see all your trophies. Now you'll notice in the bottom right side of the screen, it's going to say Compare Trophies. Press triangle. So let's do this. And then you can choose a friend. So let's just choose this friend right here. And then go to the name. And then you should be able to see the trophy information. So once this person leaves right here, you can see my name and then their name. So I have the same trophy unlocked. This is my date. And then this version right here, I don't have this unlocked, but he does. So you can see what they've done. And then you can select their trophy information. It says kill 500 enemies using an insured weapon in MW2. If that's like DMZ mode or something like that. But this kind of gives you an idea of how far they have progressed in the game, what they've unlocked, and what they've completed. And then you can see your percentage right here. I'm at 10%, he's at 28%. So this is pretty cool just to look at, just to compare your friends if you're playing like single player games. And most players on the PlayStation 5 do play single player games. It's a little bit more popular. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.